Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning to all of you. My name is Abdullah Iftakhar and today my whole group including me will tell you about our new product that we are going to launch. And I am sure that you have never experienced it before. Before finalizing our product, we first thought to introduce something that will not only entertain the consumers but also facilitate them. So we think the most difficult job is the kitchen jobs. Women of our society must be provided with more and more advanced technologies to deal with this back-breaking job. Then, keeping all this thing in mind, we finally decided to launch the product that play a very big role in a kitchen. That is Family Hub Refrigerator. Refrigerator spirit of the modern world where kitchen is the center of activities. The main purpose of launching the product is that it provides shallow depth 4-door flexible refrigerator, including large area of 24 cubic foot capacity and width of 35 and height of 70 and the depth of 35. Secondly, the second purpose of this is there is a built-in cameras and 21.4 inches of touchscreen, which is larger than an iPad. You can also plan your meal according to the ingredients available in your fridge. It also facilitates you to keep in touch with your home while sitting anywhere outside by means of three built-in cameras that enables you to look inside and outside of your refrigerator as well. These cameras are also useful at the time when you are at grocery shop and want to know what is in your refrigerator and what you need. Another purpose is to facilitate the user by food reminder app that helps you to name the items with expiration. So you will receive a notification when the item expires. Now you can also control the temperature, ice maker, and you can also clean your water filter of your refrigerator from anywhere. There's also many other useful apps like time, calendar, search of lights, hotels, rides, and you can also listen music and live stations.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Ashfaq and today we are going to discuss in this slide the market segmentation of our product. We have divided the market into three types: the demographic, behavioral and geographic. The demographic market states the people who we are going to target for our product. These include ladies, gents, people who have high income and people who follow a particular lifestyle or those who are in touch with the modern lifestyle. The second are behavioral, which includes people who browse a lot of internet, people who purchase a lot of products from the internet, and people who give their loyalty to the brand. Thirdly, the geographical segmentation. This includes where we are going to market our product, from where we are going to attract customers. A few of these places are Abdullah Harun Road, Bin Hashim, Gulshan Iqbal and Sheikh Electronics, which is located in Amagina Road. Now we are going to discuss our target customer strategy. First of all, the product is going to be launched in Pakistan for the first time. This means that no other company is going to offer the product that we are going to offer the people of Pakistan, which is why we are going to make hype of the product and deliver it to the people so that we can build trust between them. Secondly, the product is used in kitchen. which is which is why we are going to target ladies first and foremost, then other people. Thirdly, we are going to target rich people, people who keep in touch with the latest lifestyle choices, and there we are going to promote our products so that they can view it and they can experience the product we are going to put in the market.
My name is Shadi Prasad. Now moving forward, let's talk about promotion. Promotion is the basic step to spread publicity of our product all over the world. To promote our product, we will contact electronic media, which include news channels. For this purpose, we are already in contact with Geo News, Hum News, and Airwide News. Secondly, through printed media, including most commonly read newspaper, which are Akhbar-e Jang, Millat. We will also use billboard in different places. Second one is cost. As we are launching an advanced refrigerator with number of new and unique features for the very first time in Pakistan, so the price of product is little high. The price of one piece of family hub refrigerator is 4,50,000. All the expenses for launching till promotion are as follow. One is electronic media. In electronic media, we run on advertisement on Geo News, and duration will be 1.5 minutes, and the charges are 90,000. The ARY News for duration will be 1.5 minutes, and the charges are 1 lakh. And the Hum News our duration will be 1.5 minutes, and the charges are 85,000. Newspaper is Akhbar-e Jahan was ads daily, and the charges are 10,000. And the newspaper is Jang was ads daily, and the charges is 8,000. And newspaper is Millat was ads daily, and the charges is 9,000. Third one is billboard. The location of shop is Shade Faisal, and the cost is 50,000. And the Gulshan Iqbal for the cost is 70,000. And the Tariq Road for the cost is 70,000. Total expenses. Cost of shop is 2 crore. Raw material 70 lakh. Office expenses 1 lakh.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Qasim Nazar. From now, I will explain this slide. Strong relation and retailer customer. The first point is soft language. It is our responsibility to speak softly with customer, however they buy our product or not. The second point, to get feedback. After selling our product, it is our responsibility to get feedback, which is help us to improve our product qualities. To follow these 2 points, we can easily build our trust and a strong relationship with customers. Provide good service. Money back warranty. It is the most important service of all products, and we are also providing this service. To maintain quality, we can provide good service from feedback. We can understand our product quality and work. From this, we can improve our product quality. As you know, we are launching this product first time in Pakistan, so we will have to ready about some negative comment. Some of people don't like this product, so we will have to maintain our positive attitude. Respond quickly. It is a main part of our good service. However, customer order our product or complain. Other than that, if they want some information about our product, we will respond quickly. And through ad, we can reach our targeted audience. We can run ads on different type of websites and also channels, not only in Karachi, also all over Pakistan. The last heading is awareness. In Pakistan, there are lots of people who have lots of money, but they are illiterate. They don't know how to use expensive products. We will aware them and provide all information about our product, which will help them to buy our product. If I talk about competition, so as you know, smart industries day by day increasing all over the Pakistan. Karachi is a hub and biggest marketplace in Pakistan. That's why we have some threads from smart organization like LG, Samsung, Orient and Haier. As you know, we are launching this product first time in Pakistan. So many organizations will try to compete this product in Pakistan in the future. So this is all about the slides. Next slides will explain Mr. Zashan. Zashan, over to you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zarshan Rafiq and I am going to explain this slide for you today. We are going to talk about 4 points that are related to our product launch, that are strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. As we talk about strength, we have few points that are good for our product launch, like global brand awareness, intellectual properties, first mover advantage. We have to innovate workforce. We also have a strong relationship between supplier and our retailers. Just like that, if we are talking about strength, then we might have some weaknesses that could affect our product launch, like we have restricted targeted audience. Our price will be a bit high from our buyers' expectations. Early adoption for our audience, infrequent online marketing, and most of all, as soon as we launch our product, we all know that the smart industry has high competitions. Just like that, if we talk more, we also have some opportunities in our hand, like growth of smart living in our daily life. Our market share might increase as we launch our new product. We could have celebrities to advertise and promote our product to increase brand awareness, and environmental agency. In this journey of our product launch, we also have some threats in our hands, like market share loss as soon as our competitor disverify, cheaper new look-alike products, and declining income reducing spending. That's all. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.